The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be Samsung's next big foldable flagship, and all eyes are set on its rumored summer debut, likely around July or August, keeping in line with Samsung's annual Galaxy Unpacked events. Leaks and insider info are flooding in, revealing a phone that could significantly refine the foldable formula, with design changes hinting at a sleeker, slimmer look, possibly borrowed from the South Korea and China-exclusive Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition with slightly bigger displays and more stylish frame. Although initially there were doubts about S Pen support due to the thinner profile, fresh reports suggest Samsung will not only retain stylus compatibility, but might also give the S Pen a design update, which would be a relief for fans' precision input. Under the hood, the Fold 7 is widely expected to pack Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, although Samsung's own Exynos 2500 has been mentioned for some regions, creating some uncertainty. For now, the Qualcomm chip seems most probable. The phone may not undergo drastic external redesigns, but small refinements like a reduced crease on the inner screen are likely, which would enhance usability and aesthetics, especially when consuming content or gaming on a massive foldable display. Pricing is still speculative, but Samsung might stick close to last year's levels, around $1,800, though a slight bump isn't off the table, especially with the increasing cost of high-end chipsets. And depending on the final feature set, major camera improvements could be a key selling point, with strong hints pointing toward a massive 200MP main sensor, just like the special edition model, making it potentially one of the most powerful camera setups on a foldable, alongside 12MP ultra-wide, 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 10MP front selfie, and 4MP under-display camera. This robust imaging arsenal would not only boost photography, but bring flagship-level camera performance to the foldable world. Speaking of storage, Samsung is likely to offer 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB models, as external storage support remains absent, a common trade-off in modern flagships. As for build quality and design, C80-based renders suggest a wider cover display, up to 6.5 inches from 6.3, and an inner folding screen reaching 8 inches, with improved display crease and better durability via flexible glass inside and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 outside, all while trimming the overall weight down slightly to 236 grams. Leaks also mention a larger vapor chamber for improved cooling, although credibility is mixed on that front. On the durability side, Samsung might finally introduce proper dust resistance, building on the water resistance seen in past models, which would be a welcome step forward in ruggedness. Rumors on software point toward One UI 8 running on top of Android 16, thanks to a Geekbench listing that showed the US variant running that very combo. And if that holds true, the Z Fold 7 might be among the first to showcase Samsung's next major UI overhaul, bringing AI-driven tools like writing assistance, transcription, grammar correction, and smarter personalization, all wrapped into a smoother, more refined interface. Other notable software highlights include Flex Mode, letting you prop the phone like a mini laptop, and Samsung DeX, turning it into a powerful desktop-like experience when connected to a monitor, plus enhanced multitasking with updated window and app controls. All of this is backed by a 4,400 mAh battery split around the hinge, same as last year's model, which provided decent but not class-leading endurance. And unfortunately, it looks like Samsung will stick with the same 25W wired and 15W wireless charging speeds, which feels underwhelming in 2025 compared to rivals boasting 65W or more. We also expect the Fold 7 to come with 12GB of RAM, confirmed by the Geekbench leak, although many fans were hoping for a bump to 16GB, a spec now common on high-end flagships, but 12GB still holds strong for productivity and multitasking. With no Founders Edition model expected and regional chip variations still possible, it's likely Samsung will rely on carrier promotions and trade-in deals for mass adoption, with Verizon, T-Mobile, and AT&T potentially offering up to $1,000 off with eligible trade-ins and unlimited plans, while Samsung itself could provide trade-in credits up to $1,200, like last year, keeping the Fold 7 within reach for those upgrading from older models. Meanwhile, Galaxy AI and One UI features are set to expand further, with tools like the Now bar offering dynamic, interactive notifications, and customization reaching new levels. Samsung is also expected to deliver regular OS and security updates for 7 years, ensuring that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 remains secure and up-to-date until at least 2031, a crucial factor for long-term investment in a premium foldable. Overall, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 looks to be an exciting evolution. Bigger screens, a beefy new processor, possible 200MP camera, smarter AI features, and refinements in build and usability could make it the best foldable yet from Samsung. And if the leaks hold true, fans and tech enthusiasts alike are in for a treat this summer. As always, stay tuned for more updates and breakdowns here at TechVerse, where we bring you the future of mobile innovation.